banana pudding. Let us learn to make this very yummy dessert. For this we will need half cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 banana, carrot and coconut bits, bread, nuts of your choice. I took peanut coconut butter and some honey. First add the milk to the oats. Give it a good mix and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. So let us add the carrot and coconut bits into the blender. You can add roasted coconuts if you don't have the butter. Make a coarse paste so that you get the crunch. Transfer to a bowl. You can turn on the stove and bring the oats to a boil. Meanwhile, slice 1 or 2 slices of bread, whole wheat bread, into small chunks and add to the serving bowl. Take a good ripe banana. More ripe, more sweet will be the dish. Mash it well with the back of a spoon into a smooth and creamy paste. It will take some time. Turn off the stove after 3 to 4 minutes. The oats will be cooked by now. So now I am adding the carrot coconut mix and just toss it up. You can drizzle some honey if you like the sweetness. So I am adding the peanut coconut butter into the warm oats so that it melts well. Give a good mix. And now I am layering the mashed banana into the bowl. So we layer the warm oats and then add the nuts as per our liking. And if you like the sweetness, you can add some more honey in the end. And see how simple it is. The yummy, tasty and super healthy banana pudding is completely ready. You can have warm or serve chilled.